Hey, I'm Kevin Scharfenberg, your local real estate expert, and today we're showcasing our newest listing in North Ashcroft, 531 Pine Street. Have you always been looking for a place in North Ashcroft? Well, this home is perfect. You're just a short walk away from the Ashcroft pool. The kids can walk to the school. You've got access to the hub. And if you want, you can walk down the hill to Desert Hills to get your produce. Now, the home itself has been updated for you. You've got new flooring down. You've got a new island here in the kitchen. You've got LED lights. Everything on this floor is perfect. Down the hall, you've got 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. You've got a big window that overlooks the mountains here. You've got a gas fireplace, a dining room table, and then doors to get to your covered deck. The basement gives you a whole extra bonus space if you have kids or you want to have a craft room downstairs or a spot to work out. It is partially above ground, so you do get plenty of natural light. There is potential to put a 4th bedroom down here if you needed that extra space. There's a 2-piece bathroom, your laundry, and then a door to the garage. Hey, look at this. You got a double car garage. You can use it as your music studio, kind of what they do now, or you could turn it into your workshop or park your vehicles in here. There is a back door, so the downstairs could be suite potential. Who doesn't love fresh eggs in the morning? You have a fully fenced backyard. You have cedar hedges for privacy. You do get plenty of sun back here, so there's a nice spot to set up a pool, or heck, just walk down the street and go swim in Ashcroft's pool. If you'd like some more information, reach out to your realtor, or better yet, give somebody from our office a call. We're happy to help.